Coming up for Hockeyfoo, we got another box of 2014-15 National Treasures basketball. We need to get that rookie patch auto coming out of here. But after seeing the little mix-up we had on our printing plate, who knows? Maybe we'll get 2 patch autos there. Maybe it'll be something that benefits us. That'd be nice. Thanks for your order, Hockeyfoo. Really appreciate it. $5.74. Starting off right here, Damian Lillard, 10 of 25. Dame Lillard, 10 of 25. Ricky Rubio, cyan printing plate 101. That is indeed Ricky Rubio. So, Ricky Rubio. Kentavious Caldwell Pope out of 99. Dual jersey swatch right there out of 99. Birdman right here out of 99. The jersey swatch. Got a dual patch right here. Tabo Cephalosha, 5 of 25. Show that real quick. We have an heir apparent auto out of 49 with the jersey swatch, Shabazz Muhammad for the Timberwolves. Shabazz Muhammad. Out of 75, Tim Hardaway. And 23 of 75, Jamal Wilkins. Jamal Wilkins. And out of 99, James Young. We got the auto right there, and we got the patch kicking out. There's our rookie patch auto right there. James Young. James Young on the rookie patch auto right there out of 99. Hockey, thanks for your order. Yeah, we knew it was coming. I knew it was in here somewhere. That's the last one. Thanks. Really appreciate the order, man. If you ever want to break anything else, let me know. You want this box as well? Want all 3? Complete your collection?